Hello and welcome. Here's some information on the Epic Metabolic No Micro Antioxidant Formula. It's an intracellular antioxidant formula that provides brilliant support to normal cellular and mitochondrial function. Let me explain the name. No refers to the cycling and recycling of nitric oxide in its intracellular processes. Thus, the No refers to nitric oxide. The ONO, which is ONOO, refers to peroxynitrite, an insidious but necessary free radical that, if left unquenched by microantioxidants such as catalase, glutathione, and superoxide dismutase, then it can cause terrible damage to the mitochondrial DNA. Now keep in mind that all chronic degenerative and autoimmune processes are now being labeled as mitochondrial malfunctions by science and by medicine. So when the mitochondria become damaged, it gets to be serious business. Designed to provide the cells with nutrients they need to function well, EPIC addresses the chronic, self-perpetuating, cell membrane damaging, DNA damaging, free radical cascade of nitric oxide converting to peroxynitrite and back to nitric oxide again. Now, science has labeled nitric oxide the 1992 molecule of the year for its role in vasodilation and chromosome behavior. Of interesting note, both emotional stress and nutritional deficiencies greatly impact nitric oxide's performance throughout the body. Leading clinicians herald EPIC as a breakthrough formula to address the latest cutting-edge research for normal cellular stability and performance, and quickly employ this formula for its array of nutrients for such things as to support normal cellular antioxidant enzymes, glutathione, catalase, and superoxide dismutase, to support mitochondrial metabolic nourishment, to support mitochondrial efficient production of ATP, to support normal cellular lifespan programs, and to support cell membranes and their access to nutrients regarding the oxidative nitric oxide peroxynitrite, the No cycle. It helps the cell's normal protective mechanisms regarding DNA and intermediate metabolites. More than just nutraceutical support, EPIC provides key herbs that have been researched to provide herbalomic and epigenetic influences in support of normal cellular metabolic activities. The herb Arjuna is an ancient Ayurvedic tree bark with research pointing to its support of the COX-2 inhibiting process via impact on the cyclooxygenase 2 enzyme. Methylcobalamin, vitamin B12. This is the most metabolically active form of B12 that can work directly with the cells of people with MTHFR SNPs and is particularly useful to the brain's utilization. Now, peroxidine AKG is vitamin B6. It's an alpha-ketoglutarate often used by the bodybuilders to assist the muscles in making more cellular energy. It supports glutamine production necessary for cellular energy. Citrus flavonoids, also called vitamin P. These phytonutrients provide a powerful defense network and normal cell protective processes. Flavonoids work synergistically with vitamin C as frontline support for normal oxidative activities. Now, SOD, which is called superoxide dismutase, is a class of enzymes that helps the cell's normal superoxide, the O2, free radical activities. It's 3,500 times more powerful than vitamin C alone. SOD also supports normal cellular repair processes. The formula contains glutathione in its reduced form. It's a bioactive compound of cysteine, glycine, and glutamate that cells use for normal free radical activities. It supports energy production and helps with normal cellular maintenance work. Cells use glutathione to repair damaged DNA. Pyruvate helps with carbohydrate metabolism for energy. It initiates the citric acid cycle that makes ATP via aerobic cellular respiration. It also supports the use of fats for energy. Sulforaphane, a component of cruciferous vegetables such as broccoli and cauliflower and Brussels sprouts and cabbage. It's cited for many health benefits via inhibition of nitrosamines, and especially for joint and cartilage tissue maintenance. Ornithine is an amino acid derived from arginine, which helps remove nitrogen and ammonia. Thus, it's part of the cell's natural purification team. Cited to specifically support the thymus gland and heart, it helps the body produce human growth hormone. N-acetylcysteine, a sulfur-based amino acid that the body uses to replenish cellular glutathione, the cell's premier antioxidant. It helps modulate genetic expression of oxidative processes and the impact of oxygen upon the cell. Manganese is a trace mineral and a coenzyme that helps the body monitor free radicals and regulates its glucose metabolic processes. It helps with glutamine metabolism and supports DNA polymerase enzymes that replicate DNA. The zinc chelate is an antioxidant trace mineral that helps manage the glucose and ATP production processes. It's a super antioxidant. It supports cellular enzyme processes. Magnesium oxide, a non-chelated alkaline magnesium bound to an organic acid or a fatty acid. It supports glucose metabolic and enzymatic processes. Biotin, called vitamin B7, also called vitamin H, both cellular ATP energy processes and cellular glucose metabolic processes require biotin for optimal function. As science delves deeper into the cellular metabolic processes, we find that fundamental plant nutrients provide the perfect molecules for optimal cellular performance. After all, true nutrition is what the cells use to perform their amazing life processes. Thank you.